Hey, how's it everyone? And welcome again to another new recipe on Shoyu Saturdays. I'm Chef Reggie with Aloha Shoyu. And you know what? This is a new month, and you know what that means? New product. So this month we'll be highlighting vinegars. So anything that relates to vinegars, from Aloha Shoyu's Sushi Tomo to the cider vinegar to our distilled vinegar, we got you. And if you haven't yet, check out our website and subscribe. There you'll see new recipes that we create, easy recipes that you kids can do at home using Aloha Shoyu products. All right, so this month we're featuring vinegar. So today we're gonna make a little healthy salad using Aloha Shoyu cider vinegar. We're gonna use that as our dressing. We're gonna make a vinaigrette. We're gonna make Ahi Katsu. We're just gonna wrap this up in nori. And then we're gonna bread it with some flour, some eggs, and then panko. And then when we fry that, we're gonna make a dressing. We're gonna be making an orange citrus vinaigrette using fresh orange juice. Season it with some salt and pepper, some sugar, and then we'll toss it up with some nicely fresh spring mix. And then garnish everything up with some green onions, some red cabbage, and some fresh orange segments. All right, so let's wrap our ahi blocks with some nori. So I took a ahi block. It was kind of big, so I sliced it right down the middle, and now I'm just gonna stack it like this, and then we'll just wrap it on with the nori, nice and tight, just like that. Put it to the side, and then let's do another one. Easy, just like that, and then just wrap it on. Make sure that it's tight. All right, we got two. Now we're just gonna dredge it in the flour mix. Like this. Just roll it in the flour like so. Make sure it's coated. And then we're just gonna dunk it into the egg wash. Two hands would be better. And then into the panko it goes. Just like that. And we'll place it on the cutting board, and then let's do the other one. All right, so we got two pieces of Ahi Katsu that's been nicely breaded, and now let's take it over to the oil. All right, we have a nice deep fat fryer here with oil. It's at 360 degrees. And we have a nice basket here. So we're just gonna, to prevent from splashing, we're just gonna put it in the basket carefully and lower the Ahi Katsus in. All right. And then we're just going to leave them in there for maybe like 2 minutes until they're nice golden brown and crispy. As you can see, it's browning nicely, getting crispy. While this is in the oil, let's go to the table and make our dressing. All right, we have a nice bowl here. We're just going to add our freshly squeezed orange juice to the bowl. That's about a cup with the pulp, because I would squeeze them this morning. And then to this, we're just gonna add probably a half cup of sugar. Give this a little whip just to get the sugar dissolved. And then we're just gonna season it with some salt, a little salt, and a little black pepper. And then we'll add Aloha Shoyu's cider vinegar, about 1/4 of a cup, just to give it a little nice tang. And then we'll just whisk in. Give that a whisk. We'll add salad oil while we're mixing, just to get that emulsification. All right, that should be good. Using fresh orange juice gives it that refreshing, fresh flavor. And then we'll just put this on the side, and let's check up on our ahi. All right, let's take it out of the oil, and let's let it drain. Oh, it's nice and crispy, golden brown. And then we'll just put it on some paper towel. Wow, look at this. Nice and golden brown, crispy on the outside. Let's just hope it's nice and rare on the inside. We'll just take a piece onto our cutting board. Boy, it's nice and crispy. Let's give it a slice. Ooh, nice and, yeah, you got it there. Nice and medium rare. And then we'll just take a half and we'll just cut it 4 slices. Nice. All right, now that we have that, let's mix in some spring mix into our dressing. Okay, so we'll just take some of this spring mix, nice fresh spring mix, drop it into the dressing like so. And then we'll just give it a nice toss. All right, this salad is looking nice. You can either use a lot or less, depending on how much dressing you want. And that's good. Now we're ready to plate. Just get a nice bowl. Take some of the greens right in the center. And we'll take some orange segments. And then let's just put around the plate. Let's just put 3 like that. And then we'll put the ahi slices right on top. Like that. And then we'll take some of the dressing and then just pour some on the fish and around the bowl. Nice. Now we're just gonna garnish with some green onion and some red cabbage. And there you have it. We got a nice Ahi Katsu salad with spring mix and an orange citrus vinaigrette using Aloha Shoyu's cider vinegar.